Gang. Gang. As y'all can see, man, it's your boy back with another video. Man, we back with another banger. Check me out. You see me? Check me out. We forever gonna rep the brand. But hear me out though. Today, we gonna switch it up a little bit, man. We vlogging today. We got something different for y'all today. Going to hang out with my boy, the big homie, you feel me? Be sturdy. Got the realest trio in the city. I'm trying to clear this out real quick. Get the speed on. Anyway, y'all see me in the whip. Big 6'4" gang. Yes, sir. Y'all see it on the belt. About to go check out my boy, like I said, man. I'm gonna hit y'all when we get there. Yes, sir.
Come on, I got a different type of body build. Hey.
This shit really 509, gang. What the fuck?
Yes, sir.
Y'all see what the fuck going on, man. Big SRT shit, bro. Quit playing with your boy, man. Yes, sir. Y'all see the TRX thing, too. Big SRT on the wheel. 200 on the dash, man. I ain't playing no games with y'all, bro. We ain't playing no games with y'all, man. We gonna bring y'all this content. Stay bringing y'all this content. If y'all gonna watch it, man. Sub to the channel. Let's make it go up all 2022. Man, I'm just trying to, you know what I'm saying, trying to stay relevant, trying to stay consistent. Here to motivate y'all, show y'all my life, see how it's going, man. And it's going in the right direction, man, as y'all can see, man. We doing big things, we doing major things, things we always wanted to do, man. I never drove a HELLCAT before, but shit, we in one now. You know what I'm saying? They won't even let you test drive these joints at the dealership. You feel me? But we in one now, right? You feel me? And this ain't no regular joint. This the big boy. This ain't no car. This the SUV. You feel me? Oh my God. Where y'all hear that shit? Oh my goodness. Y'all hear that whine? I know y'all hear that whine, bro. I know y'all hear that whine, bro. Oh my God. This, I ain't even got it in sport though. None of that track, blase, none of that. You feel me? This shit sounds so good. Ride so smooth, gang. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Bro, I cannot make this shit up right now, gang. I'm flabbergasted. I don't even know the word to use. This shit crazy. I got the GoPro on my, oh, let me straighten it up a little bit. Boy, looking crazy out here. I got the GoPro. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to get y'all this footage. I got the phone going so y'all can see me actually in this shit, man. I'm not capping to y'all, bro. I'm not capping to y'all. I can't do that. I can't do that. Can't do that, man. But yeah, we in this bit, man. I'm about to get the GoPro, get back going for y'all, man. Turn y'all around, cause this shit is too crazy. I gotta enjoy this shit for real right now. We in the present, man. We living life. We enjoying this shit, man. Enjoying the passage of time. That's what life is all about, man. Y'all stay motivated. Stay motivated. Stay grinding, man. Keep that vision in sight, man. Don't let it go, man. Manifest your dreams, speaking into reality. It's gonna come true, man. You just gotta work for it. You feel me? Yes, sir. shit fucking hard, bruh. Bro, that shit sounds fucking amazing, bro. I cannot lie to y'all, man. A nigga excited in his whip right now, bro. I'm, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got no words, but I'm just enjoying this shit, man. Y'all gonna enjoy it with me, cause bro, we ain't even going nowhere. That be sound so good, bro. I cannot lie to you. I haven't even opened it up yet. I haven't. I don't even know if it's my place to, but shit, if he let me, I got now open it a bit wide over here. Y'all drop some comments down below, man. We giving y'all a POV view of the Durango SRT Hellcat, man. One of one. I'm gonna show y'all the outside when we hop out, but it's definitely a 1-of-1, man. Some shit y'all ain't never seen before, man. It's a part of a fleet. That's a 3, you know what I'm saying? 3 of 3. They all unique, but shit, this is definitely a 1-of-1. Y'all gotta see it, man.